So today we're going to review the Inflatable Hank Ring Toss from Finding Dory. We're real excited about it. The Inflatable Hank Ring Toss, featuring Hank from Finding Dory, is for ages 3 and up. It contains an inflatable Hank and 4 rings. We bought it for $9.99 at Target, and we're looking forward to giving it a shot and trying it out. See how many points we can score. Do you like it? Okay. Alright. You ready? Should we open it?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Open it.
Here, can you open it?
Got this way. Look at that bag in there. Wow. Oh, we have a ring game. Mimo. Mimo with him day. And Hank. He's Mimo. Here Mimo with his daddy. Here Dory. So finger that.
Okay, we probably need to blow that up, huh?
Yeah. We will blow that out. I want to blow that up on the finger like Hank. A Finding Dory. I want to blow like Hank.
That sounds like a good idea.
Blow it.
There's probably an easier way, but I don't know what it is. Alright, think he's ready? Okay. We'll go outside now. You want him there or do you want him on the grass?
What's the green on it? That one.
Whoa! Good one. Whoa! Looks like we got a ringer. Woohoo! Yeah, here, I'm gonna try one. Not close. You can do it again? Oh, good try. It's kind of hard, huh?
Yeah.
But it's fun. I don't know. Is it fun? I think it's fun.
I got one on me.
Yeah, you did get one. Okay, we're going to do you versus me, okay?
Okay.
Little one versus dad. Okay, you go first. Can you throw one? See if you can get it on.
Yeah, but you do one.
Oh, good shot.
Your turn now.
Okay, my turn now. It's hard.
Okay,
Oh, good try. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Whoa, good job. You're the winner. Woohoo! Overall, I think we really liked it. It was actually better than I thought it was going to be. I thought it would be pretty cool, but we had a lot of fun. It's easy, especially she's 3, so she had a lot of fun with it. And I think the new thing is, can you wear this? Yeah, the rings double as hats. Yeah, so thanks for watching San Diego Dad. Hope to see you soon, and click the link to subscribe to our channel. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.